Okay, like with all things technology this weekend, if I just don't watch it, everything's fine. All right, now let's go on to problem 13 here. All right, let's look at problem 13, where this is pure speculation on my part. All right, pure speculation. But I think the answer is reasonable. Let's assume he goes 0.32 meters under the water at the end of his belly flop. Remembering that the energy that he hit the water equals force times distance, and that's the amount of energy that's going to be required to bring him to a stop. With what force is the water acting on him? All right, so in problem 11, so 13 is one of those, I know this drives some people crazy, but 13 is one of those where we got the energy in problem 11. Found the energy in problem 11. Okay, but now what we're trying to do is, so the energy, the kinetic energy that he has when he hits the water, the energy that's going to bring him to a stop is the force times the distance. And if I told you the distance was about 0.3, because he went down about a foot, 0.304 meters, if you know this guy, can you tease that force out of there? I think you can. I think you can. All right. So let's take a look at Fort. So these are the kinds of the ways that we do science. Okay, was we just kind of fart around with stuff or mess around with stuff, and just kind of ask questions. Go, well, I wonder if I got this, if I can calculate this. Oh yeah, and if I have this quantity, I wonder if I can calculate this. And and this is kind of how I do your homework assignments. All right, so when a skateboard, so here we are at the very. Oh, so what? Knowing that the force equals mass times acceleration is mass is 90 kilograms, using the previous answer, how many g's of acceleration did the water push on it? Remember, so find the acceleration and then divide by 9.8. So here you go. So in problem 13, you found the force, right? And we know that equals mass times acceleration. And mass is equal to 90. Okay. So you should be able to tease out, if you know this and you know this you got from problem 13, this is given. Oh, sorry. Here you go. So 13 you get F, you get the force from the work you did above. So force is equal to MA. All right. So we know M. So force over M equals A. And then to get it in G's, you take that force, take that acceleration, and divide it by 9.8. That gives you the G's. And then 15 is just a question that you can get. And I want to make sure I get this right. When a skateboarder starts his or down the half pipe, well, that's actually not a skate. The half pipe is they are at their maximum height. They're not going to get any higher. Let's just go with that. Let's see what we got. Let's see if that's right. I know. They'll tell me I got one more chance. Let's take a peek. Okay. All those are wrong. Yep, got the last one right. Whoa, I'm giving you the answers. You better not freeze that frame. We'll scrap. I tell you what, I'm getting soft and cotton candy around here. All right, I'm out here. Have a good time with this lesson. Bye.